Mass murderer Charles Manson is planning on getting married. The 80-year-old's future spouse, Afton Elaine Burton, heard here talking to a reporter, is more than 50 years younger than him.
You love him, I suppose, right?
Yeah, of course.
That's what marriage is about.
Yes.
According to Associated Press, the marriage license was issued on November the 7th. It's valid for 90 days. 26-year-old Burton moved to Corcoran, California 9 years ago to be nearer Manson's prison. He's serving a life sentence for the murders of 7 people and 1 unborn child in Los Angeles in 1969 and isn't eligible for parole until 2027. Manson's fiancée, who goes by the name Star, says he's innocent.
He did not plan the murders. He did not do the murders. Therefore, he should not be in prison for them.
Manson's victims included the wife of film director Roman Polanski, Sharon Tate, who was pregnant. Tate's sister, Deborah, is spokeswoman for the families of Manson's victims. She says the impending marriage is, quote, insane, and questions what would any young woman in her right mind want with an 80-year-old man. As for Manson's motives, she said the devil is alive and well. Over 2 nights in August 1969, the Manson family stabbed and shot 7 people in Los Angeles in an attempt to start a race war, a conviction that doesn't faze Burton.
There's a lot to his case that never came out in court. There's a lot of witnesses that have retracted their court testimony. There are, people that never got to testify.
Burton looks after a number of websites advocating Manson's innocence. She says she's interested in working on his case, and by marrying him, she'll be allowed information that's unavailable to non-relatives.